We'll continue pushing this piston in. Now if you notice, one piston is going in, the other one's not. Now what you can do is just keep on turning until this side stops, and a lot of times what it will do is actually start pushing in the other side. You see that? I was pushing in the other side, keeping an eye on our napkin up there. Everything's still dry. That's great. So we continue pushing this in until it stops. Now we know this piston is pushed all the way back. Let's release it. Take our C-clamp off. Take this off. Now we're going to set our caliper back up on the caliper bracket. But check this out. Now these sliders right here, you notice one side